Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to create ThriveCart Learn Plus student on GrooveSell purchase. So here my objective is that whenever a user is going to purchase a course through GrooveSell, then I want to create that user as a student in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn more about this process, make sure to follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to create ThriveCart Learn Plus student on GrooveSell purchase. So here my objective is that whenever a user is going to purchase this course through GrooveSell, then automatically that user should be created as a student inside my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as Create ThriveCart Learn Plus Student on GrooveSell Purchase. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as GrooveSell to Learn-Automation, and now I'm going to click on Create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. And in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to create ThriveCart Learn Plus student on GrooveSell purchase. So now in order to begin with this automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for GrooveSell as my trigger application, and the trigger event will be product purchased. So this trigger will start working whenever a product will be purchased. That means a course will be purchased. So now moving to this action window, as I want to create a student in ThriveCart Learn Plus. So over here I'm going to use ThriveCart Learn Plus as my action application, and the action event will be to create new student. So here you can see I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now moving to this automation, I will go to my GrooveSell trigger window, and over here you can see a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your GrooveSell account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take it to my GrooveSell account, and over here I will go to the product funnels. And now over here, this is the course that I've created. So I will go to manage product funnel, and I will go to manage. So over here, I'm going to click on edit product. So this here's the product name and here's the product image. So I need to go to fulfillment in order to build a connection. And now I need to go to webhook. So this here is an existing webhook. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to add a new webhook URL from Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to copy it, and over here, I'm going to paste it and click on save. So as I did that, a webhook URL has been successfully added inside my GrooveSell account for this particular product, that is Java course for beginners. So as the connection has been made successfully, so over here in Pabbly Connect, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded over here in Pabbly Connect. So to do a test submission, I'm going to make a purchase of this product, that is Java course for beginners. So I'm going to take you to the checkout page. So this over here is the checkout page. You can see the MRP, that is of 450 rupees, and it is a one-time payment. Here you can see the name of the course. Now I'm going to fill in the details. So here are the details, and I'm going to fill in the payment information as the dummy card details, because we are going to make a test payment. So over here is a dummy CVV, and this here is the dummy zip. So once I've mentioned these details, I'm going to complete the purchase. And over here, I've successfully made a purchase of this course, that is Java course for beginners. So here inside my GrooveSell account, you can see that a new customer has been created by the name of demo user, and here you can find the details of the customer. So that means the customer has been created inside my GrooveSell account and a purchase has been made for this course. So the details of this purchase would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see I've received the response, and over here are the details. You can see the product name as Java course for beginners. You can see the product ID. Over here you can see the payment processor along with the mode. Moving to the funnel name, that was advanced Java. Here is the funnel ID and the event is of sales. Here you can see the buyer details and here are the buyer's billing details. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have got the details of the purchase that was just made through my GrooveSell account. That means the first step of this automation is set up. Now, whenever a user is going to purchase this particular course, that means this particular product, then automatically the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the details, now I want to create that user as a student inside my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So here to do that, I need to build a connection. So I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the token. So to mention the token, I'm going to take you to my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So this here is my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. I will go to my profile, I will go to settings, and in the settings part, I will go to API and webhooks, and over here is the API keys option. So I'm going to create a new API key, and let's say I'm going to give the name as latest, and I will click on create API key. So I'm just going to copy it, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it and click on save. So here you can see that ThriveCart Learn Plus and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to these details. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from GrooveSell, so that is why over here I've mapped the email address. Now moving to the course ID. So over here in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account, this here is the course that is Java course for beginners. I will go to the edit mode. So over here in the URL given, this here is the course ID. I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it over here. Now moving to the name, over here I need to mention the name of the student. So I'm going to search for the name. So the first name is demo, the last name is user. Moving to the tags. So if you want to give any tag, you can do that. But as of now, I'm going to leave the field blank. If you have got the order ID and the purchase ID from the response, you can mention that as well. But currently, I'm going to leave that as blank and I'm not going to mention the purchase type as well. As per your requirements, you can map the details in these fields. So if you want to send email notifications, you can select yes. So I want to send the email notifications. I've selected yes. So as you can see that in these fields, I've mapped the details. So basically this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we mapped the information. So as I've mapped the required details in these fields, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means a student would have been created inside my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So I'm going to take you to my account. So here you can see that a new student has been successfully created inside my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. Here you can see the name and over here is the email address. And this here is the enrolled course, that is Java course for beginners. That means a student has been successfully created inside my ThriveCart Learn Plus account through a GrooveSell purchase. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a user is going to make a purchase for the course through my GrooveSell account, then automatically that user will be created as a student inside my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.